So this is breakfast today. I've been having this probably every day lately. Just English muffin, egg, and 2 pieces of bacon and some orange juice. And then I might have something sweet after. We'll see. Having a second cup of coffee and a slice of Dave's killer bread. It's cinnamon and raisin. It's super good. And some Nutella on it. So there's this. I'm gonna watch some Grey's Anatomy while I eat this, and then I'm gonna work. Alright, so it's 12:44 right now, so lunchtime. I'm thinking I want a protein milkshake smoothie thing. So we'll see what comes out of that. Miss me? I just came to tell you I'm having a snack. I had some of my smoothie. I will admit I didn't finish all of it. I don't know what it is. Protein shakes, smoothies. It's just really hard for me to always like finish them. I start drinking them and then they're good, but then I'm like meh. Anyways, I am having a snack. I'm having some of these. My absolute favorite pretzels. I get them at Whole Foods. Actually, I get them online on Amazon delivery, but they are sold at Whole Foods and they are so good. And I'm also having some of this cold brew. Not the whole thing, I just brought it over to show it to you. So I'm having some of this too. So for dinner, we're going to be making some stuffed bell peppers. I'm going to be cooking up some ground beef with some brown rice, and I'm gonna add some fire roasted diced tomatoes and some taco seasoning, some onion, and some tomato paste, and then I'm gonna put everything in these and I'm gonna put it in the oven to bake. So the peppers are done. I made a little cucumber, tomato, and onion salad to go with it, and I will show you the peppers. This is what we are working with, and then little salad. So normally I would be having this with some sour cream or some plain Greek yogurt, but I have neither. I only have vanilla flavored yogurt. I don't want that on this. So we're gonna have some of the pepper and the salad, and I'll show you as I plate it. And then we'll probably have some dessert later. So yeah. Dinner was great. It's I think around 7 right now, and I made a cup of tea. I've been obsessed with triple leaf tea lately. Well, for a while actually. My favorite is this relaxing one and the detoxed one. And I'm going to drink this, and I'm going to have a little bit of dessert. I'm going to have these JoJo Slims because they are so good. And if you eat things that say the word slim in them, the chances of you being slim are very high. So I'm gonna eat these. And then before I go to bed, I'm going to drink my favorite Tulsi sleep tea because it really helps your sleep cycle. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna call it a night in just a couple hours. But I will end these what I ate in a day here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How many more are you gonna have?
I can't talk, I'm chewing.
She can't talk, she's chewing.
As many as it takes to make me as slim as these cookies.